Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix WAN error 135. So this is a connection error, and here are a few methods you can try to fix it. The first one being, you simply restart your PC and then check if the game works. Now, if it doesn't work, obviously, the next thing you want to do is head over to search, type in add or remove programs, and then in here, you want to delete Vanguard, 3 dots, uninstall, and after you uninstall it, you want to do the same for Valorant. 3 dots, uninstall, and after you uninstall it, you want to relaunch Right Client. After you relaunch the client, you go to Valorant, and then click here, install, and it will download Valorant again, and it will automatically install Vanguard also. After you're done that, the next thing you want to do is head over to search again, type in Windows Defender Firewall, open it, click allow an app or a feature through Windows Firewall, click change settings, click allow another app, click browse, go to local disk C, scroll down till you find program files, scroll down again till you find the right Vanguard, open it, and then click on VGC, and then click add. After you add it, make sure the both are ticked for private and public, and then you want to do the same for Valorant and Riot Games. So now you go to Riot Games, client services, add. And for Valorant, you're gonna go to local disk C, Riot Games, Valorant, live, shooter game, binaries, Windows 64, and then Valorant, Windows 64 shipping, and then add. After that, all of that, you wanna close this. The next thing you wanna do is head over to search one more time, type in run. After you open run, type in this command, services.mbc, click OK. After it launches this, click somewhere here once, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC, and then you open it, and make sure the startup type is set to automatic, not manual, just automatic, and then click apply. Okay, you want to close this, type in system configuration, go to services, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll down till you find VGC, and it says here it should be said running, but I'm not I didn't launch anything, so it's stopped, but it should be here. It shouldn't say disabled, it just says stopped. That's okay. And now if any of those don't work, the last thing you can do is simply contacting Riot support via ticket, and they should be able to assist you and fix your issue. And that's it for this video. That's how you fix WAN error 135. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Hopefully this video helped you guys, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.